Hello everyone, my name is Chioma and welcome to my channel and the review video of Affiliate Domination. Affiliate Domination is a training platform that is put together by Wayne Crow and Paul Nichols. So this teaches you actually how to make daily commissions with traffic and also simple under the radar method. So guys, before I go any further, kindly click the bell icon for notification, leave a comment, click the like, share, subscribe button down below. And as usual, I shall be adding some of my awesome bonuses today. And speaking of bonuses, all you need to do is to click on that link that is in the description box below. It brings you to this page right here. And these are my bonuses, guys. So first of all, you're gonna have access to urgency suites. So this is a high quality tutorial. And then the second one is also a hack, a launch jack-end formula. So it teaches you how you can launch jack, how you can sell other people's products to make profits off of it, make commissions rather off of it. And then the third one is a hack that teaches you how to build a website. The fourth one is also a tutorial. This teaches you how actually the 7 mistakes of email marketing. So you get to learn how, the mistakes and not to make the mistakes in the future. And then the fifth one, of course, you have access to all the vendor bonuses, guys. So now I have shown you my awesome bonuses. All you need to do is to click on that link that is in the description box below. It brings you to this page. And before I discuss further on the prices and the upsells, let me take you quickly to the sales page. Let's see what these guys are saying about the app. So he says, I'll read. It says includes step-by-step training, multiple done for you campaigns, and $1,491 in free bonuses. So you find out how they use a weird, never revealed twist to affiliate marketing to get free traffic and make daily affiliate commissions. And these are the features of this training model. The first one is, like I mentioned earlier, I said it's never released method that shows you how to make a steady stream of daily affiliate commissions. No hard work needed. And then the other one is you don't need any prior experience or reputation in affiliate marketing to do this. This works in multiple niches, so everything you need to replicate our results is included inside Affiliate Domination. So they will show you how to get free traffic that converts right away. In addition to daily affiliate commission, they also have a quirky little never revealed method for getting even bigger payments. And then they have step-by-step video training that shows you exactly how they make money daily. And then another point here is that you get access to multiple done for you campaigns, like I mentioned earlier. And then the last one actually is the method. It says that this method works fast, hits hard, and makes it easy for anyone to dominate affiliate campaigns. So guys, I have shown you my bonuses. I've shown you the this is actually the sales page that we are on now, and I've shown you what these guys have said about the features of this product, and these are the steps you need to deploy to get this up and running. So the first one, you follow the simple steps. Second step is you use their method to get free traffic. And then the third step is that it says do what they do and make daily affiliate commission. All right, now I have shown you the steps. Let me take you guys quickly to the bonuses that they have added also, because they added 3 bonuses, including mine 5. So guys, even if it's just the front end that you are getting today, you have access to 8 awesome bonuses. So speaking of the bonuses, let me see. Okay, so they have 3, like I said, and each of the bonuses is worth $497. So basically it drives free traffic for you. Now guys, let me take you quickly to the demo page so that you will see. This is the members area, so that you can see how this platform works really. So if you log in, this is what you see. This is the dashboard. Let me see this. So click on the dashboard. So this is what we see. This is the dashboard area. So from here, you can see the leaderboard. You can see the mega link. And then this is also for squeeze pages. And these are the points. If you earn any points, it comes up on this platform right here. And then on the left hand side, you see the boot camp, the training units. Let's see, let's click on the training units and see how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. So they divided it into units. It has up to units 9 with regards to the training. So for the ones completed, you see this sky blue color, and then if it's still yet to be completed, you see this other color right there. And then let me take you to the boot camp. Let's see. So this is the boot camp. So here, for the ones completed, it turns red. For the uncompleted ones, the modules, you see the turquoise color. And this is a video, the easy way to get traffic. So basically, you have access to video tutorials, and then you have the modules to complete. So guys, it's just these are just the options. You can see the growth hacks right here. Click on it. There's also a video tutorial with regards to that. Then if you click on the meet your team, let's see if okay, so these are your team members right here. You can see them, your mentor, Skype ID, Facebook, and email address, and all that. And then let's see the toolbox, the traffic toolbox. So this is also a video that teaches you how to go about it. And then you have these other ones right here. Okay, now you see the commission generator, and then the commissions, and then you have the dominator, and then comment domination. So guys, this is just what your members area will look like once you sign in, and basically that's what it is. And there isn't much here. So if you click on this, you'll get to see the traffic and all that. All right guys, I have shown you everything that I got to offer today. Let me take you guys to the prizes, and the upsell. Like I said earlier, so it's just the front end, $12.99, which is less than $12.95, which is less than $13. You have access to the software, the training modules, as well as the 8 awesome bonuses. And remember that the clock is ticking. Once you purchase within this time frame, I am assuring you that you have access to all the 8 bonuses. But once this clock resets to 00, guys, I'm not promising you have access to all the bonuses anymore. So the second upsell is the AdWords training. So it's $27, and you have the advanced training showing you how to get lots of extra traffic. And then the upsell 2, which is the done for you, is also $47. So you have done for you pages, keywords, templates that you can use with page traffic. Then the upsell 3 is the super affiliate coaching, is $97. So basically they will provide a coach for you. And then the fourth one, which is the tube domination, is $197. So this is the YouTube software. It says it's brand new and allows you to get tons more real likes and comments to your videos, which will help to get more real traffic. And then the fifth upsell, which is the super affiliate life coaching, is $297. So basically, like as the name suggests, you have access to their VIP coaching, where Paul and Wayne will walk you through live on video exactly how to set up the profitable campaigns and all of that. Also, if you have questions, will be an opportunity for you to ask them and get the answers that you need. Like I mentioned earlier, I showed you some of the key benefits that you may get once you purchase this app, guys. So that's just what it is, guys. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking my YouTube channel. And guys, you stay safe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.